All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to showing you how to use the disk cleanup tool in order to clear out your shader cache on both or all of your hard drives. The first thing you have to do is go down to your Windows search and type in disk cleanup, and then open up this fancy disk cleanup tool, which will ask you which of your drives you want to clean stuff up on. I have games on both of my drives, so I would have to do this to both of them at some point, but a lot of them are on my C drive, so I'll hit OK. And then it'll calculate what all can be removed from my drive. So it wants me to clear out temporary downloaded program files and temporary internet files, but I know for a fact I need to clean out my thumbnail cache, and my temporary files I've already mostly cleared out, but I can clear that out again. There's 3 gigs of stuff in my recycling bin, but what I really want is right here, the DirectX Shader Cache. I can select that, and that'll clear out all of my old shaders when I click OK, and then I can say yes, delete those files. And you can do this for both of your drives or however many drives you have if you've got more than just a couple. And if anything doesn't want to delete, you can just give it admin permissions to do so. So once you're done, it'll close automatically, but I just kind of reopened it to show that everything got deleted. And the whole idea behind deleting your shader cache, your DirectX shader cache, is because if you find yourself having weird stutters in games, it could be because you have corrupted data in your shader cache. By deleting it, it allows your GPU to clear out all of those old ones and then generate fresh shader cache files so that everything runs buttery smooth. And it's a good idea to go through here either with this tool or another tool like CCleaner and make sure everything, all of your old junk files are cleared out. That way, everything runs fresh and clean and you don't have old junk taking up extra space on your computer. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to use the disk cleanup tool in order to clear out your shader cache files. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.